Hi everyone! We have some exciting news here at the Simon & Friends channel. We have decided to adopt a cat from our local Humane Society. Meet Piper, a 2-year-old tortie who managed to survive a pretty rough ordeal. She was injured, malnourished, and suffering from infections, but the vets managed to save her, and now she's part of our family. Please check out her full video for more of the details on how she ended up with us. And check back for new videos of Piper and the rest of the four-legged friends. Thanks for watching!